the shooting game project in Python and SoloLearn. Let's try to build this or modify this code on the right, and for solving this problem by creating the project of shooting game. You are creating a shooting game. The game has two types of enemies, lions and monsters. You shoot the lions using your laser and monsters using your gun. Each hit decreases the lives of the enemies by 1. The given code declares a generic enemy class as well as lion and monster classes with their corresponding lives count. So we have 3 classes here: the enemy, a lion and monster classes, and the code is written on the right. It also defines the hit method. We have the hit method for killing. Okay, so you need to do the following to complete the program. To complete this project, we need to do 2 things. The first thing, inherit the lion and monster classes from the enemy class. Second, complete the while loop at the bottom of this program. The while loop, this one. Okay, complete it. That continuously takes the weapon of choice from user input, if it's laser or gun, and call the corresponding objects hit method. Okay, let's discuss this solution. This is the enemy class. This is the code as the same. Then we have the monster code, the monster class code. It's still here, but we modified it by inherit it from the enemy, so we put in the arguments enemy. Okay, to take enemy as argument. Then we modify it by inserting the hit method. We define it here and put it as in self and super dot hit. This is another function, super. Then we modify the other class, which is the align enemy, and inherit it from the enemy by putting enemy inside it in the, as argument or parameter enemy. And then we modified it also by defining a hit method, adding a hit method including super dot hit. Okay, and then we call the monster class by setting it a variable m and calling a line class by setting a variable a. And then this code was written, we modified it by writing this code. If the user enter laser, so he will call the hit of the class A, which is the class monster. But if it enters the gun, so x will equal gun, x will equal the input, the user input gun. So if it's gun, x equals gun, so he will call the hit inside the m class, which is the monster class, because m corresponds to monster. Thanks for watching this video.